Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guess what? I've started my microloc journey. And in this video, I will show you my microlocs 3 weeks from the install date all the way up until my first retie, which was 8 weeks later. So I will start off by showing you all the grid. Now I have 4C fine hair. It's short. And I know my loctician couldn't grab all of my edges, so some were not locked at all. In this video, this is the first time I unraveled my Bantu knots from the install date. For the full 3 weeks, they were in Bantu knots, so that's why the ends are flying all kind of different ways. Prior to being locked, I was natural for 12 years. And I'll include a picture of my hair before lock install after this video. I'm showing you guys more of the grid. Now I know with my hair, it's going to frizz. With my greater hair, it's just going to be frizzy. So I'm expecting that, and I don't think it's going to be a problem for me. I think I probably like when it's a little bit frizzier than when it's um, not, because I think it'll make it look fuller. Now I'm showing you the front part of my grid at the top of my head. And I did ask my loctician to make them as small as she could because I do like the thin locks. I don't like the thicker ones. So I was going for the thinner lock look. This lock on the edge by my glasses, it came out, it unraveled completely. So I may try to retie it myself or just twist it. I'm not sure yet what to do with it, or just leave it. This is more of the back as I'm putting it back up in the Bantu knots. And this was all with no wash. I haven't washed my hair in 3 weeks. This is more pictures of it. Next, I'm going to show you the day of my first retie, which was 8 weeks after this picture here. So this is my first retie, the day of, coming fresh from the salon. I did go to a different loctician, but it was for other reasons. She did do the first loctician did a great job on my hair. It was other reasons that I didn't go back to her. But my new loctician, I love her. She did a great job, and I can talk about that in a different video if you guys want to know. But right now, I want to play a game with you guys. I want you to guess how many locks I have in my head right now and after my first retie. How many locks do you think I have in my head in these Bantu knots? Put it in the comments. Let me know, and in the next video of my 6 month update, I will let you guys know who's right and who's wrong. Thanks for watching. Come back for my 6 month update on my lock journey, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.